Did you know that nearly 90% of people don't get enough fruits and vegetables in their diet? Let's change that with some smoothie hacks. In this video, you'll discover how to create nutrient-packed smoothies that help you avoid common nutrient deficiencies. Also, make sure to stay tuned to the end for a nutrient-packed smoothie recipe. Many people don't get enough nutrients from their diet. This is often due to busy lifestyles, limited access to fresh produce, or simply not knowing what foods are nutrient-rich. This can lead to health problems such as fatigue, weakened immune systems, and even chronic diseases. Our bodies need vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients to function properly. These essential nutrients support everything from bone health to brain function. We need to eat a variety of healthy foods to get everything we need. Fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats all play a role in a balanced diet. Smoothies are an easy and delicious way to boost your nutrient intake. They can be customized to include a wide range of ingredients, making them versatile and convenient. You can pack a lot of fruits, vegetables, and other healthy ingredients into one drink. Adding leafy greens, berries, nuts, and seeds can enhance the nutritional value of your smoothie. This is especially helpful for people who don't have time for elaborate meals. A nutrient-packed smoothie can be a quick and efficient way to ensure you're getting the vitamins and minerals your body needs to thrive. Iron is important for carrying oxygen throughout the body. It plays a crucial role in the production of hemoglobin, which is the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Without enough iron, our bodies can't produce enough healthy oxygen-carrying red blood cells. Iron deficiency can lead to fatigue and weakness. This is because your organs and tissues aren't getting the oxygen they need to function properly. Symptoms can also include dizziness, headaches, and even shortness of breath. Vitamin D helps our bodies absorb calcium for strong bones. It also supports our immune system, brain, and nervous system. Vitamin D is unique because our bodies can produce it when our skin is exposed to sunlight. Many people, especially in colder climates, don't get enough sunlight for adequate vitamin D. This can lead to deficiencies, especially during the winter months when sunlight exposure is limited. Vitamin D deficiency can result in bone pain and muscle weakness. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for heart and brain health. They help reduce inflammation, lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, and are important for cognitive function. They are found in fatty fish, but many people don't eat enough of these foods. This can be due to dietary preferences, availability, or simply not liking the taste of fish. Supplements can be an alternative source of omega-3s. Fiber is essential for digestion and helps us feel full. It aids in maintaining a healthy weight, lowering cholesterol levels, and regulating blood sugar levels. Fiber also promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Many people don't eat enough fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which are good sources of fiber. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet can help ensure you get the necessary nutrients for overall health and well-being. You can easily add these essential nutrients to your smoothies. For protein, try adding Greek yogurt, tofu, or protein powder. For fiber, add chia seeds, flax seeds, or oats to your blend. To increase your intake of healthy fats, add a spoonful of nut butter or avocado. Don't forget your fresh fruits and vegetables. They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Here's a simple recipe for a delicious and nutritious green smoothie. This smoothie is packed with ingredients that are not only tasty, but also rich in iron and other essential nutrients. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of fresh spinach, which is a fantastic source of iron. Next, add half a cup of frozen mango. Mango adds a natural sweetness and a creamy texture to the smoothie. Then take half a banana. Bananas are great for adding thickness and a bit of natural sweetness. Pour in half a cup of almond milk. Almond milk is a great dairy-free option that adds a nice smooth consistency. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of almond butter for some healthy fats and a rich, nutty flavor. Don't forget to sprinkle in half a teaspoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty, packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Now for the instructions. Combine all these wonderful ingredients in a blender. Make sure to blend until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. This should take about 1-2 minutes depending on your blender's power. Once blended, pour your vibrant green smoothie into a glass. You can garnish it with a lemon wedge on the rim for an extra touch of freshness. Here's a pro tip. Vitamin C helps your body absorb iron more efficiently. So, adding a source of vitamin C to your smoothie can be very beneficial. For an extra boost, add a squeeze of lemon or orange juice to your smoothie. This not only enhances the flavor but also increases the iron absorption. Smoothies are a fun and convenient way to improve your diet. They are quick to make and can be customized to suit your taste and nutritional needs. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients. Try adding other fruits, vegetables, or superfoods to find your favorite combinations. The possibilities are endless. Cheers to a healthier you. Enjoy your delicious iron-boosting green smoothie and feel the difference it makes in your energy and overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more smoothie hacks and nutritious recipes.